Hi channel, welcome to my guys. You know Ninja Sword class has unique effect for their gold weapon that different with other class. If most of the class has effect refresh skill or increase crit damage bonus for their first entry gold weapon, Ninja Sword has Glory of Octagon Cage that reduce the enemy defense by percentage. Maybe only Surudoi Case that has same effect with other gold weapon class. Several players that interested in Ninja Sword class has asked me question about how the Glory of Octagon Cage weapon works and how good that weapon for our class. I won't give a judgment whether it is good or not, but I will show you how it works and how it take effect from the enemy point of view. So happy watching! As you can read the description, when you equip this weapon, when you cast Mist Slash to the enemy who have trauma stack, it will reduce the P-def by some amount of number with maximum 3 stacks. The second effect is you will obtain chance to ignore 100% enemy defense when they have cross trauma stack. However, this condition is almost impossible, especially in PvP, because we need 2 Ninja Sword in different gender to apply this. So for now, let's forget about the second effect until the developer aware of this. In simple way, to obtain the effect from Glory of Octagon Cage is you have to apply trauma effect by cast cross strike skill and follow up by Mist Slash. I will try this effect by removing the Shadow Clone skill, Mirage Legion, and Shadow Clone Shadow Equipment because those skills and SE are triggered by cross strike. We will check from the enemy point of view. The P-def is 62,000. When we cast cross strike, your enemy will have 1 stack of the trauma. And when followed up by Mist Slash, the P-def of the enemy is become 8,000. It reduces about 87% more than described. Then how if the enemy have 2 stacks of trauma? The P-def is become 0. Now, how if we equip the Shadow Clone skill and Shadow Equipment and Mirage Legion skill? Those skills will increase the trigger rate as well as the number of the Shadow Clone summon. If we look carefully, if the Shadow Clones triggered when cast cross strike, all of the Shadow Clones will activate the trauma stack. We can automatically put 3 stacks of trauma in one attack. Since it has 3 layers of trauma stacks, of course this Mist Slash will make the P-def of enemy become automatically 0. So that's how the Glory of Octagon Cage works. This weapon is good for long-term fight against high P-def enemy. The effect will in line with penetration stat that will hit harder the higher penetration stat you have. So if you play as a tanker or support Ninja Sword, this weapon is nice to have. However, this weapon is not effective against the low P-def enemy with high attack stat. Because what most important on that kind of fight is a burst damage. So if you kind of DPS Ninja Sword, then better to pick another gold weapon like Witching Hour, Neon Blade, Mokadas Kansa, or Flame Blade. So I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day, fellas.